Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can find your shade filter on TikTok. Okay, so I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, and in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and search for find your shade. Okay, the first one with 37.2k videos, this is the effect. Just tap on it. Okay, this is the effect. Suppose you can't find the filter like this from the trending section or from the search, then what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for find your shade filter. Okay, on the top row you'll see the effect name. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen and you will get the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, you can tap on any of this video.
Apparently we can get shade meshes.
Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there. It's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Okay, you can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. To use this filter, just tap on the record button. Okay, and you will see all the stuff. Choose and you know better. Okay.